I've redone 2 axles now, and I forgot the video on both times, and I wanted to get it done for the YouTube. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm not slacking. I am prepared. I got cameras everywhere. 2 of the GoPros fully charged, and I got my DSLR. So we're gonna watch some TV. We're gonna fix the bike. All we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take apart those 4 bolts. Right there, you can see 1, 2, and then down bottom, 3, 4. Take those off. Take this tire off. Unscrew these 4 bolts, and then full rear end will just slide out. So yeah, let's get to it, guys.
They're trying not to yawn. What are you doing, babe?
Little figure. He should, his brake drum should come off, honestly. But, whatever. So bam, bad side of the rear end managed to snap off on us. This side's still good, unfortunately. So not a good rear end now. Spine's still good. Still got a good brake drum, but we'll bring that in here. So I'm going to show you an example on this axle of what this piece does. So this guy, so on your axle on the 86 Big Red, it has this bump so that you can't slide your axle out on one side. And on this side, there is none of that bump, so you can't take your axle out. But when you put this over it, it locks your axle in, so that in case of losing a tire or a case of like what I did the weekend, you can still drive home because this guy is holding your rear end in. Genius. So after you take out these 4 bolts right here that hold your brake drum in, and these 4 bolts that hold in this guy, you are good for another rear end to go in. Here is the brake drum that I'm putting in, so that it's nicer than the one we're taking out. When you're putting this in, you gotta make sure this part is facing out behind, because that's what your brake grips onto right here. It only goes in 2 ways, frontwards and backwards. So it's not too hard to figure it out when the time comes. Alright. Grab a couple wanko dankos. So that don't come out. Also, when I'm tightening anything up, I like to do a crisscross pattern to make sure that everything gets tightened evenly and everything gets tightened like it's supposed to. Alright, so that's on and tightened up. That's life. Build it, fix it, build it, ride it, fix it, ride it. Repeat. Nice, nice little. Take off that old thing, because he's a road half. So let's get a good crank on him all here. That's for face making. Christ almighty, I gotta make a face for that one. There we go. I wasn't making the right face. Get this guy out. This hub is shot anyway. And bam. Here we go. So there's what the inside of a hub is supposed to look like. And that's what the one I took off the bike is. Not one spline left at all. So right quick, these 4 bolts here are to take off this brake drum. When you take this brake drum off, you can take these 4 bolts out here, these 4 here. This slides out. That spacer that I showed you slides off this axle. Your whole axle will slide out this way. It will not slide out this way because of the piece that I showed you. Because this falls off, it'll let your axle come out through the brake drum side. I'm gonna fucking hope and pray that everything's good. And having to sit here and eye up 4 of them studs with a hub that you would normally have laying off of this. Now you just need to line up this hub with this spline. So it's a lot easier. You can stand up behind the bike at this angle, grab the tire, and then shaboopy. Same with this side. Grab tire, lift up, shaboopy. Soon time to get another fucking G fuel. Alright, so we managed to finish everything. We're gonna go clean it now right quick. Show you guys that. We're gonna come in and put it all back together and we'll be ready for the next ride. So I hope you guys learned a couple lessons. Like I said, it's super easy to pick at these bikes, super fun. You break down in the middle of the woods, you can literally do this in the middle of the woods. It took me about a half an hour. Yeah, well, you need the parts, but besides that, to tear a bike apart, it's super easy as you can get for an off-road vehicle. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like the video, guys, and drop a subscription on the channel if you can. Everything helps. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos in the upcoming future. Rebuilds and builds and all the different kinds of things. So yeah, definitely don't miss that, guys.